Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're going to talk about a lip gloss that promises not only to add a glossy finish, but also to hydrate, plump, and nourish, something we all want, right? It's the Makeup Forever Super Boost Lip Gloss in shade 07 Limitless Brown. Let's see if it really lives up to its claims. First things first, let's take a look at the basics of this product. The Makeup Forever Super Boost Lip Gloss is a liquid lip gloss designed to provide a high shine, glossy finish. It comes in a sleek 0.3 tube, and the shade 07 Limitless Brown is a stunning neutral brown that complements a variety of skin tones. The formula is touted as hydrating, plumping, nourishing, and softening. So if you're into lip glosses that do more than just add shine, this could be an interesting option to consider. When it comes to the formula, this gloss is designed to deliver not only a glossy finish, but a nourishing experience. Ingredients like hydrating agents and lip plumping compounds are incorporated to provide moisture and a fuller lip look. The texture is smooth and not sticky, which is always a huge plus in any gloss, right? I found it easy to apply without that uncomfortable sticky feeling you sometimes get with glosses that don't deliver on the texture front. Real-world testing and usage experience. I've been wearing this gloss for a few days now, and I have to say, it's been a game changer in my beauty routine. I typically go for matte lip products, but I've been loving how this gloss adds just the right amount of shine without feeling overly greasy. It applied smoothly, and the color, Limitless Brown, is just the right balance of warmth and depth for my complexion. It's not too bold, but gives my lips a beautiful natural enhancement. The best part? The gloss felt incredibly nourishing on my lips. I didn't need to layer on extra lip balm, and I noticed my lips feeling softer even after removing the gloss. The plumping effect was subtle but noticeable, a slight fullness but nothing too dramatic. Pros? Hydrating and nourishing. I loved how this gloss hydrated my lips. They felt soft and smooth after wear. Plumping effect. While not extreme, there was definitely a subtle plumping that added fullness to my lips. Color payoff. Limitless Brown is a versatile, flattering shade that works well on its own or layered over other lip products. Non-sticky. The texture is smooth and lightweight without any uncomfortable stickiness. Cons. Longevity. While it's hydrating, the gloss doesn't last as long as I'd hoped. I found myself reapplying every few hours. Price point. It's a bit on the pricier side for a lip gloss, which might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're someone who doesn't mind reapplying frequently. Now, when we talk about value for money, I'd say this gloss is a great option if you're looking for something that combines hydration with a glossy finish. The ingredients do a great job at delivering on their promises of nourishment, but the price might feel a little steep if you're not someone who wears lip gloss daily. However, if you're after a premium formula that provides more than just color, it could be worth the investment. In terms of comparisons, there are other high-end glosses out there, but few offer the same nourishing effects that this one does. If you're looking for something with a similar color payoff and texture, but at a lower price point, there are plenty of alternatives from drugstore brands that come close in terms of glossiness. That being said, this one might edge them out when it comes to lip care and plumping effects. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, with the gloss staying secure in the tube, and the applicator is easy to use for precise application. It doesn't feel flimsy, which is a bonus for a product that you'll likely use often. If you're someone who values customer support, Makeup Forever has a reputation for offering reliable customer service, but I haven't had direct interaction with them. Still, their reputation for standing behind their products is worth noting. Now, as for alternatives, if you're someone who prefers to save a little, drugstore glosses like L'Oréal Paris's infallible 8HR Le Gloss offer long-lasting shine and a similar smooth texture without the luxury price tag. But if you're after a product that hydrates and nourishes with a luxurious feel, Makeup Forever has a solid formula here. Final verdict, overall, I'd say the Makeup Forever Super Boost Lip Gloss in Limitless Brown is a solid pick for anyone who loves a hydrating, glossy finish. It's not the most long-lasting gloss on the market, but it makes up for that with its nourishing properties and subtle plumping effects. I recommend it for those who want a bit of luxury in their lip care routine and for those who appreciate a more natural, everyday lip gloss. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it give you the glossy, hydrated lips you were looking for? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.